Okay, hi everybody. We did unbox the iPad mini in my previous upload, and then yes, this is another accessory for the iPad mini 2019. In fact, this is one of those accessories which Apple has invented, or which makes it all the more easy to use and adds a lot of value. So, for all my viewers who are watching me, I am currently in South Africa, and the previous package was delivered by Takealot, and this one is from Incredible Connections. So, I am not promoting these channels in any way or these e-commerce shops, but yes, in this age of lockdown, they make it very easy for all of us to be able to get what we need. Okay, so here's the Apple Pencil in all its glory. Again, I got it from Incredible Connection because I got a very good deal. We are all deal seekers. So let's open this. This one doesn't look like it's that easy to open like the iPad, but yes. So normally people do upload a separate video, same video for the iPad mini and the pencil, but I thought we will do justice to this beautiful instrument which Apple has innovated. So yes, this is how it opens. Designed by Apple in California. It's a nice slide-in cover. And then here we have the connector. So this is the tip for the pencil. I guess these are the additional tips that you can use. And then this is the charging connector for the pencil. For the Apple Pencil. So because otherwise it does a very strange way of charging it, but here then we can charge it to this connector. And then here's the Apple Pencil itself. Okay, it's not as light as I thought it would be, but it's okay. It's like perfect. It's like you're using a pen. So this is the first generation Apple Pencil, guys, where I got it because that is what is compatible with the iPad mini. The back cover is magnetic, so as you take it closer, it sort of pulls it and clicks. Yeah, that's how it is. But I'm sure I think I will require a cover, something to keep from losing this cap. Okay. So why I chose the Apple Pencil over the Logitech crayon or any other product available is because the Apple Pencil is pressure sensitive. So the thickness of what you draw on your iPad can vary on the level of pressure you apply on the screen using the Apple Pencil. So in my previous video, I did promise that I will tell you the exact reason why I got the iPad mini. Yeah, and then I did change the direction of the camera because I could understand that you're not getting a clear view. So yes, so I think the only complaint or maybe it's a bit funny, is the way you charge the Apple Pencil, because although you have this connector given to you, but it is not usual that you would carry this around because this is small, you might lose it, and because you'd be using it mostly with the iPad. So I think that is how we charge. I'll just show you. So this is a cover from a company called We Love Gadgets, and it fits perfectly around my new iPad mini. And yes, it has a great compartment for the Apple Pencil, so you won't lose it. This is also available on Takealot. You can search, and if you're interested, you can get it. The material is sort of soft rubber, and it's nice. It's slightly thicker than what I would have liked, but then yeah, I guess it provides good protection for the iPad, and it's always safe. Fine. So getting back to the way we charge the Apple Pencil. So this is how we charge it. We take the cap off, and then we plug it just into the lightning port. So this is how you charge the Apple Pencil. I know it's funny, but this is also how you pair it. So okay, so we'll move on to the reason why I chose the iPad mini 5th generation and in 2021. So I would say it's light, it's compact, it's powerful, but then there was one particular reason for which I had to take this decision, and that is what I will be showing you now. So the usual suite of apps, nothing crazy, nothing really path-breaking, but yes, you can see this is the flow diagram. So this is one of those apps, or you can call it a mind mapping tool that many use. There are others also like Lucid Chart, and I'm in no way promoting this app, but I found it in the App Store and I thought it was a good thing. So for example, you are in a meeting and you want to quickly map a process. So that is how this is very convenient with the Apple Pencil. You open the iPad, you start a process like that, and then let me try and magnify this. Yeah. So you can just write, for example, I write start. Please pardon my handwriting, but then it recognizes that I have written start. I move this slightly up, and then there will be the next process. Say we are making a simple process just for illustration, and we log in. CRM. Okay, see, so that became CAM instead of CRM. I can just erase it like that, it goes in. So let's make it system. Okay, so we log into the system, then we need to connect this to. So how would we connect it? Let's click on it. Click on the chain. There's a button which looks like a chain. You have to click on that, and then click on this and this, and then it attaches it automatically. And all you need to do is maybe move it slightly so that the arrow becomes straight. Then after we log into the system, for example, we need to take a decision whether the information is available. So we can write here, is the information available? Question mark. Okay, so it became available, became something else, sorry. So I need to erase it. Okay. Yeah, it got it now, but then I have to remove the question mark from here, give it a space. Let's just erase it again. So there are some bugs, of course. It's not totally bug free, but then that's how you do it. So data became date. That's all my handwriting, nothing else. Data. Available. Okay, writable. Fine. Okay, I'll take that. No struggles. So I'm in a typical angle. I'm actually behind the phone trying to record this. Hence, this is not being so easy to be done. Anyways, this is just about showing you the concept. So now we can link this to this one. Okay, that was a wrong way of doing it. So we linked it, and then if the data is available, say we share it with the customer. inform client. Yeah, and then we're done. So we inform client if the data is available, so we can write a yes here. And then we stop. You can write stop or end, whatever is convenient, whatever suits you. So what if the data is not available? Then we again log into the system. So we can connect this. So I could so ideally this can be done very fast. I'm doing it from a precarious angle, so it's becoming a bit difficult, but then yeah, it's very easy. You do it on the fly, and then you can simply store this. Here you have an option of save. And then you can simply share it. Either you can upload it to your drive or you can share it by email. So that is the exact reason why I got this iPad mini 5th generation in 2021 with the Apple Pencil, of course, and that is my story. I hope you've liked the video. I'm not a professional vlogger, and I thought this makes a point for many people who would want a very small device with powerful capabilities apart from the usual apps, browsing, and I'll not say camera, but then yes, this has a 7 megapixel front camera, the iPad mini, which makes it better than the 8th generation iPad, which also has the A12 Bionic, and it also has a good screen, but it misses out on the front camera. And I think in today's age, you need a front camera because of the video calls, a good one. So 7 megapixel will do you better always. And you can also do occasional gaming on this thing, and then the form factor makes it very convenient to carry around wherever you want to go, whether you're traveling or whether you're going to a small meetup or something. So this is very convenient, so that is the main reason. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you'll get some value out of this, and it will help you in deciding whether you would want an iPad or an iPad mini. And if you have a requirement similar to what I had for mind mapping or process mapping, I think this will definitely help you. Thank you. See you again.